Hey everyone, it's Ryan Cook with First Class Realty Group at HomeSmart First Class Realty. I just wanted to give you a little bit more insight into what actually goes into a professional home appraisal or professional valuation of your property. You can always hop online to go to Zillow or OpenDoor, Redfin, or any of those other sites and get an automated valuation. But the reality is that there's a lot more that goes into it. So they're going to pull some generic data about your home. They're going to do a radius search around your home and pull data on what other homes in the area have sold for. Come up with some per square foot number and apply that to your home. But the reality is they have no idea what's going on the inside. They have no idea what's actually going on the outside. For example, they have no idea if you have granite countertops or laminate countertops. They have no idea if they're hardwood floors or if it's carpet. Those are going to affect value. They have no idea that you have a vaulted ceiling that may affect value. They have no idea if you have stone on the exterior of your home or if it's old cedar shingles that need to be replaced. They have no idea if you have a new roof or if the roof is 20 years old or if you're professional landscaping or any of that stuff. See, there's a lot that goes into it, and data is just one part. The other part is the eyes on the scene. You need to have someone come by and see that. And you know that inherently by driving through a neighborhood. When you see a home that's well cared for is going to be worth more versus a home with the same characteristics that hasn't been well cared for, that's going to have a depressed value versus your home that is well cared for. So you really need to have someone come by, do a professional evaluation of your home to really get a true estimate of value. You can certainly use your Zillows and Redfins and OpenDoors as a starting point, but just keep in mind what they're trying to do. All these companies, whether it be Zillow, they're looking to purchase your home potentially. OpenDoor is definitely looking to purchase your home. Redfin, they're really just trying to gather your data and turn you into a client. They all have an ulterior motive in mind. When you hire a professional to come in and take a look at your property, they may be trying to compete to win the opportunity to help you sell your home, certainly. But in the end, what you're going to do is you're going to hire a professional that helps you, one, market your home, provides a true valuation of your home based on what is seen, and then using market data to help adjust it. So that's my point for today. You can certainly use those sites as a starting point, but when you really want to get serious about the value of your home, you really need to contact a professional, have that professional come by and take a look and give you an honest, detailed valuation of your home. Again, I'm Ryan Cook with HomeSmart First Class Realty with First Class Realty Group at HomeSmart First Class Realty, your local expert, and help you understand those numbers. And I'd be happy to help you. If you want more information, there's information at the bottom of this page where you can request my assistance in trying to do an evaluation of your home. Look forward to talking to you. And if nothing else, I hope you certainly got some value out of this blog article.